Welcome back to another video. I'm picking a winner here with the YouTube Random Picker app program. And let's go ahead and pick one, you guys. Everyone, good luck, and more giveaways will be coming very soon, so stay tuned. And the winner is, yay, Raylyn Woody. I think I said that right? DeWoody. Raylyn DeWoody 270. Thank you so much for playing. Congratulations. She says, your hat is so pretty. I must admit, I only watched the movie a couple years ago, but I love it. What took me so long, right? Yes, I do the same thing. I love Billy, and when she says book, yes, we love it. Okay, you guys, stay tuned for another giveaway. Raylyn, please DM me on Instagram and to claim your prize. Otherwise, I will be choosing a winner within 48 hours. So 2 days. 2 days you have, Raylyn, and you guys, I will see you in the next video.